Today, gagawa tayo ng one of the most popular variety of lumpia that originated in the Philippines, lumpiang Shanghai. Ito ang Shanghai fillings na ginawa ko na the night before. Instead of wrapping it, hihiwain natin ang lumpia wrappers into vertical strips. This crispy, deep-fried recipe na pwedeng snack, ulam, or pulutan. It is similar to Chinese spring rolls, and this dish is usually inaabangan sa mga handaan. Medyo iibahin lang natin yung kanyang presentation dahil i-wrap natin siya into lumpia wrappers strips. Gawa lang tayo ng meatballs and then iro-roll natin to sa strips of lumpia wrappers. Then, ready na to para i-deep fry. This is the final product. Mukha siyang maliliit na octopus. Like lumpiang Shanghai, you can dip it sa ketchup or sweet and sour sauce and then goods na to.